vessel has arrived. The chosen one can be born.
Stay away from me.
If all goes well.
Why shouldn't it? What took you so long?
Jessica, I've never been so happy to see someone my entire life. Are you okay? They didn't hurt you, did they? Look, we can work together. We can get out of here. Okay, there's 2 against 2, and I can fight dirty. Look, I know we haven't been the best of friends, but Rex is so worried about you. They all are. Are you okay? Jessica! What the hell did they do to you? Bedtime. Jessica! It's Stacy. Do you not remember me?
You let Dorian, Lord, and Charlie follow you up that mountain?
When I got to the hospital, they had Stacy. I had to threaten them.
What do you mean they had Stacy?
They were leaving with her. I surprised them in the parking garage.
Jessica.
And then what happened?
And then they followed us.
Oh, so much for Dorian's loyalty as mayor.
I don't think she's going to be a problem anymore.
Oh, yeah? And why is that?
It's snowing heavily. She lost control of her car. I think they went over the mountainside.
So she's dead?
I didn't stop, but from what I could see, it was a very bad accident.
God rest their souls.
Hurry up, Charlie. We cannot stay here.
Okay, but if I can't get this engine to turn over, we're not going anywhere.
I am not going to stay here in a car on an icy road. It's dangerous. We could be hit.
There is no one out there, Dorian, who would be out driving on a night like this.
We were, Charlie. All it takes is one car, and we are down that ravine, too.
Okay, look, I don't want to get hit any more than you do, but I just don't know what I can do about it. We just... I'm doing it.
It's not working, John.
Here, go for help. I am not leaving you.
John, please, I'm fine. Just go and do what you need to do. Find my sister, and then you can come back and get me.
Freeze to death by the time we got back.
Jessica's in trouble.
So are you.
And if Mitch escapes, we're never going to find them.
Listen, I'm not leaving you, so forget it.
All right, guys, I can't get a signal, but we gotta try something else.
Like what?
Got an idea.
It's time.
Hey, time for what?
Why, to deliver the chosen one, of course.
How? I mean, look at me. I'm not in labor. Tell him.
Stacy's labor appears to have stopped.
Oh. Well, perhaps we should examine the vessel.
Oh, no, that's not going to happen. No one's touching me.
There's nowhere to hide.
Jessica, wake up. I need your help.
Good girl.
What did you give her? Why is she acting like such a zombie?
If you don't cooperate, Stacy, you'll find out for yourself.
Look, I don't know what you have going on here, but I really don't want to be any part of it. So just please let me go.
Go where? Out into that blizzard? All on your own? Oh, Stacy, that's just not sensible. Look, you're cold. You're tired. You've been through a terrible ordeal. The sensible thing would be to let Nurse Charles make sure your baby's all right.
That's what a good mother would do.
Yes, a good mother would not go out into the dark and the cold, especially when she knows that she is so very far from any hospital.
She would ask for help.
Stay away from me.
Stacy, don't be foolish. You really think you can take care of a fragile, tiny baby without our help?
So, if Stacy's in labor, it's way too early.
Look, my best friend was just kidnapped, okay? Now is not the best time to bring up the fact that Rex is the father.
I'm just worried, okay? If Stacy gives birth, then the baby might need help or
So
something.
we need to find her. And if Rex thinking he's the father puts a fire under him, then who cares whether or not she's in labor?
She's not in labor?
Will you drop it?
Kim, would you just tell me, is she faking it?
Yes, okay?
Okay, good. I mean, not good that she's lying, but good that the baby's...
You are working my last nerve here, Tuna.
Okay, fine, but maybe we should call Skylar.
Why?
Because I can't because you know why.
There's nothing he can do except please, God, keep his mouth shut and don't tell Gigi.
What happened at the hospital after I left?
Nothing.
Skylar, I can handle it. Skylar.
Gigi, you just need to know I love you, okay?
Ugh, now you're scaring me.
Why?
Because whenever anybody says that instead of answering a question, it's always bad news.
Okay, look, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Rex isn't...
Skylar? Skylar?
Did you just hear something?
No, it's just the howling of the wind. That's... Oh, my gosh, my feet are killing
No.
me.
Was it? Shh. I thought I heard something like another crash, like metal on metal.
Please, dear God, do not let him start hallucinating.
Look, I just thought I heard something.
Probably just the sound of a tree falling in the woods. Can we please go before a tree falls on us? Go! It's bad enough that you couldn't fix the car.
Look, you're the one who wanted to head out into parts unknown.
Look, what good would it have done? Us standing in the middle of the woods, waiting to hear the sound of nettle upon nettle? Wait a minute, did you hear that?
What?
I heard a horn.
Well, maybe it was just the howling wind.
You there? You said something about Rex. Sky.
I swear, I heard a horn.
Okay, so what do you want to do? Go back down there? Come on.
I want us to try our phones again, because I don't want us standing by the side of the road, freezing to death. See if you can get us...
No.
You got
nothing,
anything?
Nothing.
Damn!
Wait, maybe it was a horn. Maybe it's those people down in the ravine.
Maybe it was. All the more reason why we should get to civilization and notify the authorities, because we are no good to anybody if we're dead. Can we go? Please? Ow!
I'm telling you, there was somebody trying to signal for help.
Hello, we're down here!
So they can't hear you.
They're up there. Somebody's up there.
Let's hope whoever it is has a working cell phone. That's mine. Yeah, hello?
Brody,
Rex, hey, we need your help. We've had an accident.
you had what?
An accident.
Listen, can you hear me? There's a lot of static. Mitch has Stacy.
Mitch did what?
He kidnapped Stacy.
Rex, listen to me. We're up on Lantano Mountain, up at the cutoff. We went off the road. Natalie's hurt. You've got to send the truck.
What about Lantano?
Mitch, at the observatory.
Say again.
The observatory up on the army base.
Brody, you still there?
I lost him.
What'd he say?
Something about Mitch getting his hands on Stacy. John,
I know.
What?
I'm staying with you. Brody's going after Jessica.
How?
I can scale the embankment. I can get back up to the main road, and I can head into the observatory on foot from there.
Brody, it's a 40-foot drop.
Hey, I know you can make it.
I got a flashlight and rope.
Okay, hey, is there a crowbar or a jack or anything back there?
Can't let Brody do this on his own.
I'm not leaving you.
John, I'm fine.
I'm not leaving.
Here's the jack. I'll call in your location first chance I get.
All right. You got a piece?
Yeah, and an extra magazine.
Be careful.
Always.
All right. We're gonna get you out of here, all right? Let's see if we can get this to work.
All right, MacGyver.